Hybrid technology makes dreams a reality. Korean Air is pioneering innovation in aviation. Hybrid drone, KUS-HD. A high-tech hybrid drone that innovatively improves endurance, KUS-HD. The KUS-HD is a high-tech hybrid drone equipped with our self-developed hybrid engine that has 2 hours endurance. We have secured stability with a power management system, allowing it to restart and recharge, as well as an emergency mode that helps it to land safely by itself in the event of emergency. Also, it is equipped with a high-resolution EOIR camera, so videos can be recorded and transmitted in real time. The mission equipment can also be replaced according to purpose of flight. The KUS-HD can be used for coastal surveillance, forest fire surveillance, and even shipping to distribution vulnerable areas. Goes further, lasts longer. The epitome of innovative technology, KUS-HD has endless possibilities and advances the smart world. Innovating to change the world of tomorrow. The next generation winner, Korean Air.